My girl.
Hi everyone, I hope you guys are keeping safe. Welcome back to my channel, Living with Perry. And if you are new here, please remember to subscribe and always hit the notification bell so that you'll be among the first viewers whenever we post our videos. So without any further ado, on to our today's video. It's going to be a simple makeup tutorial. So I have here my sister, she's Agnes. She'll be the one teaching us how to do the simplest makeup tutorial. So let's do this. So guys, these are the tools for our simple makeup. I hope you are ready for this. On to our next step.
It's foundation, and the foundation must be your shade color. So you must go and buy the foundation that suits your skin. For some people prefer drawing eyebrows then foundation, but as for me, I prefer foundation then eyebrows.
Okay.
So you guys, I'm going
To start with the foundation.
yeah.
On to our next step, we are going to do the eyebrows. And for the eyebrows,
the eye pencil must be sharp. You guys see, it must be sharp for easier drawing on the eyebrows. So I'm going to draw her eyebrows.
and before she does that, we need to brush the eyebrows to be in line. I've got their natural eyebrows, and some people prefer to go to the salon to make the eyebrows. So I don't know how you do yours, but as for me, I have my own natural. So that is it for the eyebrows, but it's not done. Let's finish and then you'll have the clear look of it. So guys, this is the clear look of the my eyebrows. I don't know if you can see this, but how are they? How are they? So let's do the conceal now.
So the concealer also must suit your skin. So this concealer suits her skin. So I'm putting on concealer on her eyebrows because there are sometimes people make mistake. No one is perfect.
Of course.
So I'm putting concealer on her eyebrows to hide the mistakes that I've done. So that she may be.
It can come out clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
So concealer also needs their brush. It has
Its own brush.
yes.
This is it for the conceal, but you need to clean it. You need to make sure that it's not showing.
It's not sharp.
Yeah, and it's not even shouting or maybe coming out. And yeah, so once I'm done with this, you will have a clear look of it.
Plus the powder.
Plus the powder. For the powder, we are going to do that step, and you guys will see how the powder is being applied. So guys, this is it for the conceal. So the next step, we are going to do the powder and the blusher.
This is the powder brush.
So that is the powder, guys. Now the next step is the blusher. And my sister will tell you the function of the blusher.
So the blusher is just to bring out you who you are, just
Your
to
shade.
highlight your face. Yeah. So this is the blusher's brush.
And there is a way of putting on the blusher. You don't just apply on the whole face. There is some parts for the blusher.
So I
Step, we are going to do the mascara.
if you don't have eyelashes,
Yeah,
you don't like eyelashes, you use
you
mascara.
use the mascara. It's a bit scary, but we are going to try.
Not So the mascara will just leave the lashes like this then.
So on to our next step, we are going to do the eye shades and the lipstick. So this is the eye shades that we have. So I just want to show you the one side that she has done. This one side.
Blended.
Yeah, she has blended. So you do the same on the other side. So let's do the other side, then we see how it comes out. So that is for the eye shades. That is for the eye shades. And now let's do the last step, which is lipstick. Yeah, so today we are going to use this. Though we have different types of lipstick, but today I'm choosing to use this.
So yeah, we are using this because this is like a nude lipstick because her makeup is simple. We can't go for shouting lipsticks. So we will use this nude.
Okay. It doesn't have to be shouting because our makeup was the simplest one. But depends with you. If you have the other type of lipstick, you can use them. So leave your comments in the comment section and let's know what you think about this. So guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for coming back and supporting your girl. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. Always like, comment and share. Let's know what you think about this particular video. So see you on our next video, guys, and we love you. Bye bye. Mwah.